Welcome to Istanbul, the mesmerizing city that bridges the continents of Europe and Asia. With its rich history, stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine, Istanbul offers a captivating blend of Eastern mystique and Western allure. In this comprehensive travel guide, we invite you to explore the enchanting mosques, bustling bazaars, ancient ruins, and vibrant neighborhoods that make Istanbul a truly extraordinary destination. Discover historical landmarks. Begin your journey in Istanbul by exploring its historical landmarks. Visit the iconic Hagia Sophia, an UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Marvel at its grand dome, exquisite mosaics, and rich history. Explore the majestic Topkapi Palace, once the residence of Ottoman sultans, and wander through its opulent courtyards, lush gardens, and remarkable collections. Don't miss the Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmed Mosque, with its stunning blue Iznik tiles and impressive dome. Witness the ancient Hippodrome and its Egyptian obelisk, serpentine column, and German fountain, remnants of Istanbul's Roman and Byzantine past. Experience the grandeur of the Bosphorus. Take a cruise along the Bosphorus Strait, a waterway that divides Istanbul between Europe and Asia. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city's iconic landmarks, including the Maiden's Tower, Dolmabahce Palace, and the iconic Bosphorus Bridge. Witness the unique fusion of architectural styles lining the shores as you sail between continents. Explore the charming neighborhoods along the Bosphorus, such as Bebek and Ortaköy, known for their picturesque waterfront cafes and bustling atmosphere. Wander through historic districts. Immerse yourself in the rich history of Istanbul by wandering through its historic districts. Explore the atmospheric streets of Sultanahmet, home to many of the city's major landmarks. Lose yourself in the narrow alleyways of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, where you can find a treasure trove of spices, carpets, textiles, and traditional crafts. Discover the vibrant neighborhood of Beyoğlu, stroll along the famous Istiklal Avenue, and explore the trendy boutiques, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife of this bustling district. Uncover ancient ruins. Step back in time by visiting the ancient ruins within Istanbul. Explore the underground Basilica Cistern, an atmospheric subterranean structure with its mystical columns and enchanting lighting. Visit the impressive ruins of the Roman Hippodrome and imagine the chariot races that once took place there. Discover the ancient walls of Constantinople and take a walk along the Theodosian walls, offering panoramic views of the city. Delight in Ottoman architecture. Admire the stunning Ottoman architecture that dots the cityscape of Istanbul. Explore the magnificent S13 Mosque, an architectural masterpiece designed by the renowned Ottoman architect Mimar Sinan. Visit the Rustam Pasha Mosque, famous for its exquisite degree Zednik tiles. Take a leisurely stroll through the historic district of Ereski and marvel at the intricate details of the Ottoman-style mansions. Taste the flavors of Istanbul. Indulge in the tantalizing flavors of Istanbul's diverse culinary scene. Feast on traditional Turkish delights such as kebabs, mezes, and baklava. Sample street food favorites like simit sesame-covered bread rings and balik ekmek grilled fish sandwich. Experience the rich flavors of Turkish tea and traditional Turkish coffee. Don't forget to explore the vibrant spice bazaar filled with aromatic spices, teas, and local delicacies. Explore Prince's Islands. Escape the city's hustle and bustle with a visit to the Prince's Islands. Take a ferry ride to Bosphorus, the largest of the islands, and explore its charming streets by horse-drawn carriage or bicycle. Enjoy the tranquility, beautiful beaches, and stunning views of the sea. Visit historic monasteries, dine in waterfront restaurants, and savor the peaceful ambience of this island retreat. Immerse in Turkish baths. Experience the ultimate relaxation by indulging in a traditional Turkish bath. known as a hammam. Enjoy a steam bath followed by a vigorous body scrub and a soothing massage. Unwind in the opulent surroundings of historic hammams, such as the IMMERSE or the Hagia Sophia Haram Sultan Hammam A plus or minus, and rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Attend whirling dervish ceremony. Witness the mystical whirling dervish ceremony, a spiritual practice performed by the Mevlevi order. Experience the mesmerizing whirling dance accompanied by traditional music and immerse yourself in the spiritual ambience of this centuries-old tradition. Enjoy modern Istanbul. Experience the modern side of Istanbul by visiting contemporary art galleries, trendy cafes, and stylish boutiques. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods of Karaköy and Kadıköy, known for their hipster culture and lively food scenes. Visit the Istanbul Modern, a contemporary art museum showcasing the works of Turkish and international artists. Enjoy panoramic views of the city from trendy rooftop bars or take a leisurely walk along the waterfront promenades of Kabatas and Besiktas. Visit charming neighborhoods. Discover the charm of Istanbul's diverse neighborhoods. Explore the historic district of Fatih, where you can visit the iconic Kora Church and the vibrant Egyptian Spice Bazaar. Wander through the colorful streets of Balat and Fener, known for their Greek and Jewish heritage, and admire the charming Ottoman-era houses. Experience the lively atmosphere of Kadıköy, an Asian-side neighborhood offering a blend of culture, nightlife, and local markets. Take a Bosphorus ferry ride. Hop on a Bosphorus ferry ride to experience the city from a different perspective. Sail along the strait, passing elegant waterfront mansions, ancient fortresses, and picturesque fishing villages. Enjoy the refreshing breeze and breathtaking views as you cruise between Europe and Asia. Experience Istanbul's festivals. Immerse yourself in Istanbul's vibrant festival scene. Attend the Istanbul Music Festival, showcasing world-class performances in classical and contemporary music. Experience the Istanbul Biennial, a major international art exhibition held every 2 years, featuring works from renowned artists. Celebrate the Istanbul Jazz Festival, where you can enjoy live jazz performances in iconic venues across the city. Discover Turkish handicrafts. Explore Istanbul's rich tradition of handicrafts. Visit the Grand Bazaar and browse through its stalls for traditional carpets, ceramics, and intricate jewelry. Discover the art of Turkish calligraphy or ceramics by visiting local workshops and attending classes. Explore the Arasta Bazaar near the Blue Mosque, where you can find unique handicrafts and traditional Turkish textiles. Venture to nearby destinations. If you have extra time, venture beyond Istanbul to explore nearby destinations. Visit the ancient city of Ephesus, known for its well-preserved Roman ruins. Discover the fairy tale landscapes of Cappadocia, famous for its unique rock formations and hot air balloon rides. Relax on the pristine beaches of Antalya or indulge in a rejuvenating spa experience in Pamukkale. Unwind in Istanbul's green spaces. Find tranquility in Istanbul's green spaces and enjoy a moment of respite from the bustling city. Explore Yildiz Park, a peaceful oasis with beautiful gardens, walking paths, and picturesque views. Relax in Emagen Park, known for its vibrant tulip displays during the spring season, or visit Fethiye Porsukorusu, a charming park with panoramic views of the Bosphorus. Embrace the SUFI tradition. Witness the spiritual and mesmerizing SUFI tradition by attending a whirling dervish ceremony. Experience the captivating dance of the whirling dervishes as they spin in a trance-like state, symbolizing the spiritual journey towards divine union. Engage in this mystical ritual and gain a deeper understanding of Sufi philosophy and the quest for spiritual enlightenment. Istanbul, with its rich history, architectural wonders, vibrant culture, and culinary delights, invites you to embark on a journey of a lifetime. Explore the iconic landmarks, wander through the historic districts, and savor the flavors of Turkish cuisine. Immerse yourself in the captivating atmosphere of this unique city, where East meets West and tradition blends with modernity. Let Istanbul unveil its wonders and create memories that will last a lifetime.